What's up, guys? Welcome to Mikey Yourself. Today's Review Wednesday, and we're going to take a quick look at the stock antenna, I think it's from TCMT, that we installed on the 2017 Road Glide. Check it out. And there it is, up, 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 up. I think this thing is like 3 feet long. I don't know. It's long. It's a stock replacement. So whatever the stock length is, it's the same. Now, when I got it, I was kind of concerned that if I put my luggage rack, that it would get in the way, and it actually fits perfectly. So some engineer thought that it would be a good idea to make sure you accounted for stuff like this. Wow, right? But let's talk about the performance of the antenna. It's been doing great. Like I said, before I got this antenna, I couldn't get a good station in my garage to save my life. And now, today, we're going to do a quick blip. Actually, I've got to actually put on some tunes here, or a radio station, because it went to our Bluetooth. So we don't want that, right? So let's take a look at tuner stuff, and you can see that I'm actually able to grab a station. So I got the local here in San Diego, and without letting this play too long because of copyright stuff, I get music. Hallelujah. So as you saw, I'm getting my station. I'm here in the garage with the door closed, and able to grab something where, like before, I couldn't get anything. It sucked. And my area is just notorious for being bad. Like, even TV antennas don't work well where I'm at. And not because I'm in the boonies. I'm literally in a suburb of San Diego. But I don't know. Maybe it's the mountains, atmosphere. Who knows what the hell it is? But that's my dilemma, right? That's my problem. And this helped not resolve it 100%, but I'm by far getting stuff now. So that's great. Now, the one challenge that I had mentioned in that video was the fact that I was going to have to put it on and take it off every time I wanted to cover the bike, because I park them outside, and like it is today, it's raining, right? For some reason, California has turned into like Oregon or Washington, and we're just getting rain like every week. It's kind of crazy. But I was able to resolve that problem with a motorcycle cover by the folks over at Kemimoto that had an actual area for the antenna to go through. So now I don't have to take that off. It's easy for me to put that cover on and take it off. Yeah, I'm grateful now, because not that it was difficult to do, it just kind of, the repetition of having to do it kind of became a pain, right? Like, none of it hard, didn't take long at all. It was like seconds. Put it on, take it off, whatever, right? Just having to do it, right? It was one extra thing. I want to go, right? So thanks to that Kemimoto folks. I appreciate them sending that cover out to me, and really has made my life a lot better. As the antenna as, right? Just being able to play the music, whether it's while I'm washing the bike or whatever I'm doing here in the garage, and I can't get any of my other devices to work because somebody else is using it in another room, I can still play some tunes or, whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you saw that it brought value to you, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, become a subscriber. And if you don't want to miss out on that next video, hit the notification bell. And until that video does post, I hope to see you in the win.